Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are confused about Android navigation buttons or gestures, this video will help you. Android phones come with two different navigation modes. The first one is gesture navigation. This mode lets you swipe from the bottom and sides to control your phone. Swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. Swipe up and hold to see recent apps. Swipe from the left or right edge to go back. This navigation mode gives you more screen space. It also feels smoother once you get used to it. The second option is 3-button navigation. This mode shows 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen. The back button takes you to the previous screen. The home button takes you to the home screen. The recent apps button shows all open apps. This option is easier for many users, especially beginners. It also feels more familiar if you used older Android phones. You can switch between these navigation modes anytime. Open Settings and tap on System or Display. Now tap on Navigation or System Navigation. Select Gesture Navigation or 3-button navigation based on your preference. Choose the option that feels comfortable for your daily use. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and setting fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.